Today we are going to look at an easy question, Leetcode 242, valid anagram. We've been given two words and we are being asked to confirm if it is an anagram or not. So the first word we've been given is anagram itself, and then anagram. So let's just count the number of words in the number of characters in each one. So A has 1, N is in there 1, there's another A, there is a G that appears the first time now, there is an R, that's 1, then another A comes, then there is an M that also appears 1, right? So we have 3 A's, 1 N, 1 G, 1 R, and 1 M. Let's look at this. So we have an N which appears 1, we have an A, we have a G, there's another A, there's an R, there's another A, and then there is an M. So we can see that everything matches in this case. Right, the G goes to the G, the same count, and that. So basically, for it to be an anagram, all the words, all the characters must exist in each of them, and they must have the same count, right? Let's look at the second example. We have rat and car. We have C appearing 1, we have A appearing 1, and R appearing 1. We have R 1, A 1, and T 1. There's R, that's good. There is A, that's good. But this do not match, hence they are not an anagram. Also, by looking at it, we can also see that if, for example, we have apple and apple, we know that this is not an anagram because this one is longer than this, right? So the length of apple is longer than the length of APPL. So this will not be an anagram. So this will be the first thing we should check first before we can even build out a dictionary to check the counts and all. So let's take a look at how this is going to look in code. So first of all, if one is longer than the other, if they are not equal to, return false. Alright, so let's get a count of S. That will be equal to counter S. Let's get the count, let's go to counter T for S in S counts. If S not in T counts, return false. If S counts S, you just make it character. If character is not equal to T counts character, return false too, else just return true. Okay, so we're just checking if they both exist, they exist in both of them. If not, return false. If the count must also match. So that's the second check we did here, right? So yes, this is how you solve valid anagrams. All right, thank you very much. See you in the next one.